Hello, what's up, refinance hoodies? At this time, as you know, it is the end of month and people doing a very big mistake. My friends, please, I request everyone to don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Let me show you, friends, what's going on this time in your refinance. So let's start the video, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's see, my friends. Now you can see that the latest price of the refinance in the market at 0.026452 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the refinance. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the refinance. So the price change is absolutely, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the refinance. The last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the refinance. So my friends, what do you think? What's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box, my friends. Now if you look the price chart, so that's clear for everyone. You can see, my friends, at this time that is the last 3 days price chart of the refinance. Now they take a jump. It is the jumping time. Now, as you know, it is the end of month, and now and after this time, the people want to invest in the refinance coin. So absolutely, that's good idea for everyone to buy refinance, because as I show you, friends, that the last 1 week pricing is positive. So that's mean that the refinance take a jump from the previous last 1 week, my friends. So refinance at this time in the market is going better, my friends. I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold. It's a perfect time to buy, my friends, not to sell. If you sell, so you are in the loss, because in the future of the refinance is right and you missed out, so you are in the loss. Anyways, my prediction about your refinance is 100% positive, and I believe that they will give you good amount of profit. What you think? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.